Ready to dominate the battlefield with the freshest PUBG Mobile experience? Let's dive into installing the latest PUBG Mobile update on your Android device directly through Taptap. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Taptap. Look for the official Taptap website and tap the download button to get the app. Once the Taptap app is installed on your phone, launch it. Inside Taptap, use the search bar and key in PUBG Mobile. You should see the official PUBG Mobile game appear. Tap on the game listing. You're going to see the download button appear. Tap on this button to begin the download process. The download might take some time, depending on your internet speed, so grab a snack while the files transfer. Once the download finishes, you'll be prompted to install the game. Simply give the application any permissions it requests so it can install. After the install is complete, locate the new PUBG Mobile icon that is now installed in your apps. You can now tap on the PUBG Mobile logo to launch the game. Log in with your preferred method, whether it's your existing account or creating a new one. Congratulations! You're all set to drop in and experience the latest version of PUBG Mobile through Taptap. Enjoy the game and happy gaming.